a bad person, you don't like me. Well, I guess I'll make my own way. It's a circle, I mean cycle. I can't excite you anymore. Where's your gavel, your jury? What's my offense this time? You're not a judge, but if you're gonna judge me, we'll sentence me to another life. Everything was always on my fault. You know what I'm saying?
Life comes in many shapes. You think you know what you got until it changes. And life,
despite the general tendency of the socialization process mechanisms of social control to inform conformity, there are instances of variations, disregard for defiance of non-conforming or flaunting of social norms or established standards of the group. Such types of behavior are considered deviant because they stray from the accepted norms, beliefs, and of values of the group. Deviance is relative. What is deviant for one group may be acceptable or to another group. Abortion, for example, premarital sex, polygamy, this is the deviant behavior wherein you are married to different people, and divorce do not constitute deviance in some societies, but are strongly disapproved of or punished by Christians in the Philippines. What is considered deviant may vary in time and in place. Yan no? Deviant behavior. Best example, mga future engineers, pag-asa ng bayan. Collective behavior. It is a kind of group behavior characterized by spontaneous development of form and organization, which contradicts or reinterprets the norms of the group. It refers to conduct which does not reflect existing social behavior, laws, conventions, and institutions, but emerges in a spontaneous way. Forms of social behavior in which the usual convention cease to guide social actions, and people collectively transcend, bypass, or subvert institutional patterns and structures.
Our next contestant.
Expressive crowd is characterized by rhythmic activity, intense emotional contagion, and emotional release. Examples: major sports events, charismatic sessions, rock concerts, festivals like the and of course, College of Marine Engineering. Hi, we are here at the 5th floor male CR to discuss one of the basic aspects of sociology, which is birth control and population control. Here, chapter 18 is the responsible planned parenthood. So, we are going to demonstrate, not only discuss, the condom and how to apply it. The condom, or prophylactic, is a protective sheet made of rubber or thin animal skin, which is worn over the erect penis during sexual intercourse. It prevents the sperm from entering the vagina and aids, actually the uterus, in preventing the transmission of venereal disease. Come on over, let's go. Come on. It's demo time. Okay. So, hi guys, so we are again the Masculalis. Okay, okay, a little professionalism, go. So, this is the condom, so it's orange flavor, and it's Frenzy brand. So, what we are going to do, okay, put your hands together and talk to me. Go. Okay. Kunwari, this is an erect penis. Okay, so we are going to put it on. Okay, so peel the wrapper like so. And para could you like? Wait. So, Sir Eric, sorry kung masyado pero the kids have to know. So, like so, and have an erect penis, you slide it down, like so. So, during intercourse, it will not break. So, there you have it. So there is a reason why condoms have different flavors. So there is another application method, which I'm going to discuss, and I'm not going to demonstrate it. So when the condom is put by the girl on her mouth, when it is rolled up, and she slides it into the erect penis, as if she's going to blow it or commence with fellatio or yung chupat. Okay. So there you have it. So my group mates are disgusted. Ngayon pala kayo na ng condom. Okay. That's a cut.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남 스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남 스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남 스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남 스타일
Kata.
Anong pera? Money! Pera. May ako pera eh. Sige, game.
Pera mo.
Anong pera?
Pera mo, dali.
Wala akong pera, di pa nakapag-withdraw.
Bigay mo sa akin, meron ka dyan eh.
Wala nga, mag-withdraw. Withdraw mo ako, gusto mo?